Christopher Small here with Emerald City Law Group. Today we're going to talk about whether or not you should ask for a blood test after you provide a breath sample to the cops at the police station. Here we go. Okay, let me explain a little bit further what I'm really talking about with this video. If you are arrested for DUI, for whatever reason, they take you to the police station, ask you to take a breath test. You may have heard that you should always ask to get an independent blood test once you give the breath sample if it's over 0.08. And the answer is that you should. You should ask for that independent blood test if you provide a breath sample that is over 0.08. And there are two reasons why you should do this. The first reason you should ask for an independent blood test is because there is a rule that requires police to allow you the opportunity to get a second independent blood test if you ask for one. The idea behind this law is that breath test results can be suspect. They are inaccurate, and by getting a blood test you can have not just a second opinion, but a second opinion that is much more accurate, much more grounded in science, and that is kind of a safeguard for you if you truly believe that your breath test results were inaccurate. But here's the kicker. If you ask for the blood test and they don't give it to you, that's a grounds to suppress the breath test. So you should always ask for it, just in case they don't give you the blood test. You've got a pretty good argument to get your breath test results kicked out of the case, which means you have a much better chance of getting a good result. The second reason you should ask for the blood test is because you've really got nothing to lose. What I mean by that is, if you get the blood test and the results are in your favor, let's say the blood test comes back as under 0.08, then you can use that obviously in your case to prove your innocence or to dispute the state's evidence. But if your blood test comes back and it's over 0.08, then you don't have to do anything with that test result. You can sit on that. You don't have any duty to disclose that to the prosecutor so that they can use that against you. You don't have that responsibility. They have to use all the evidence that they can find against you. So if you think about it, it's a win-win to ask for the blood test because they can't use it against you, and it can help you out in several different ways. Thank you for your time. Once again, I'm Christopher Small with Emerald City Law Group. If you've been arrested or charged with DUI, call us today, 206-651-4245. We can help. You can also visit us at emeraldcitylawgroup.com.